Log into the odd number computer as the administrator. In Active Directory Users and Computers, right-click the domain, create a new organizational unit. Name it Marketing. Click OK. Then, in Group Policy Management, create a new GPO linked to the Marketing OU and name it PWD for password, POLL. Click OK. Right-click the new GPO, select Edit. Under Computer Configuration, expand Policies. Click Windows Settings. Click Security Settings. Click Account Policies. Click Password Policy. Double-click Minimum Password Length. Place a check mark next to define this policy setting. Type in 14. Click Apply. Click OK. Back in Active Directory Users and Computers, create a new user in the Marketing group. Name the user Lab8 User 1. Click Next. Type in a password. In the Group Policy Management snap-in, right-click the domain. Select Link an existing GPO. Click OK. In the Linked Group Policy Objects tab, select the new policy that we just created and hit the up arrow until it's at the top of the list. Select Marketing and delete this link. Right-click on Marketing. Select Block Inheritance. On the Even computer, log in as Lab8 User 1. Open a command prompt window. Type in gp update /force. Hit Enter. On the odd-numbered computer, try to create a new marketing user with a password shorter than 14 characters. You will see an error message this time, saying that the password does not meet the policy requirements. Alright, next on the odd-numbered computer, right-click the password policy and click Edit. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Policies, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Account Policies. Click Account Lockout Policy. Double-click Account Lockout Threshold. Click Define this policy and type 3. Apply. You will be presented with these suggested value changes. Click OK and click OK again. Close the editor. Close the Group Policy Manager. Now on the even-numbered computer, log off of that account. Now let's try to log on with an incorrect password 3 times. So, you can see the referenced account is currently locked out and may not be logged into. That is the result of the policy that we just created. Even if we use the correct password, it still remains locked out for the duration of the lockout period. Too bad, so sad. On the odd-numbered computer, right-click Lab8 User 1 and go to Properties. Click the Account tab. Check the Unlock Account box. Click Apply, and click OK. On the even-numbered computer, let's verify that this unlock worked. And it did. Yay, success. Create a new folder on the C drive, named Confidential Files. Right-click it and select Properties. Select the Security tab, and then click Advanced. Click the Auditing tab, then click Edit. Then click Add. Key in Everyone. Check the successful box next to List Folder Read Data, as well as the failed checkbox. Click OK. Click OK again. Create 2 text files in the folder. Open Event Viewer. Under Windows Logs, select Security Log. Create a new group policy object named Audit1 and link it to the domain controller's OU. Right-click and edit it. Go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Local Policies, Audit Policy. Double-click Audit Object Access. Check to find these policy settings. Click Success and Failure. Click OK. Log off and log back on as Lab8 User 1. Go to the C drive and open the folder. Open the file Confidential 1. Then close the file. Log off. Then log back on as Lab8 User 2. Navigate to the C drive and open Confidential 2. Close it. Type this into the command line. Enter the password. Click Enter. Under Windows Logs, select Security. Double-click an event that has a 4658 event ID. Log into the odd-numbered computer as the default administrator and go to the C drive. Create a new folder. Name it Lab 8 My Docs. Share the folder. Set everyone as the co-owner. Click Share. Click Done. Create a new GPO linked to the Marketing OU. Name it Redirect 1. Right-click and edit it. Go to User Configuration, Policies, Windows Settings, and then click Folder Redirection. Right-click Documents. Click Properties. For settings, select Basic. Type the path of the folder. Click OK. Read the warning, and then click Yes. On the even-numbered computer, log in as Lab 8 User 1. Open the network and then connect to the odd-numbered computer. Open the Lab 8 My Docs folder, and there is that folder. Open it up, and it is redirected back to the Documents folder. On the odd-numbered computer logged in as the default administrator, let's create a new GPO linked to the domain. Let's name it Disk Quota 1. Click OK. All right, let's open the editor for Disk Quota 1. Go to Computer Configuration, Policies, Administrative Templates, System, and click Disk Quotas. Now, double-click Enable Disk Quotas. Check the Enabled Radio button and click OK. Double-click Default Quota Limit and Warning Level. Select Enabled. Set the value to 1 megabyte. That's right, a single megabyte. Scroll down. Change the warning level to 512 kilobytes. Click Next Setting. Click Enabled. Click Next Setting. Click Enabled. And click OK. And close the editor and the group policy management. In Users and Computers, let's create a new marketing user because we have nothing better to do, and name the poor individual Lab 8 User 3. Talk about identity. Open up Command Prompt, type GP update /force. When prompted to restart the computer, press N and then click Enter. On the even-numbered PC, log in as Lab 8 User 3. Take a screenshot of your desktop and just copy and paste it a couple of times. Open Command Prompt and use the Run As command to open the event viewer. When prompted, type in the password, and the event viewer will open. Select the system log